Hello, welcome back. I'm going to make another trip into the pool room. What else? I'm just looking through the frame here to see what I see. And yeah, I see a lot. Anyway, I still have more tidying to do in here to make this journey easier. There's one of the things that's always exciting is an internet cable that I got that is, well, you know, in the old days, before Wi-Fi, or even since Wi-Fi, there are still cables that are needed, and I have one that's just way too long. So it would try and trip me up if given the opportunity. Alright, I'm going in. So I'm just passing some Amigas. Here's that cable that's going to try and trip me. Past the disk drive pile, which of course doesn't have all the disk drives in it, but it has some. Hello again. Alright, need to move more Vic-20 cartridges. And just gotta be careful. As they say, do no harm. Yeah, I'm not sure. There's a bunch of chips here. I'm gonna set them down just beside here. Oh yeah. I will have to look in to what they are. Ah, there's some screws. What is this? Ah, contact cleaner. There's also some hardware here. Little screws. Yeah, that went well. And they do look an awful lot like they might be from a pet, which would make sense. Because I have some. Now, a sec. Oh, another chip. A chip often set aside by itself probably meant that there was something wrong with it. Now, here's some more. I think these are from an Amiga because I see an Agnes chip. It's funny, you know, oh, look. There's the There's the top of a 64. Not surprising. Here's a power supply from, it looks like an Amiga 500, but that's not what I'm trying to get at today. I'm trying not to cause any trouble here. More discs. The one thing I really need to do, as I'm doing what I'm doing, is figure out where is nothing like grabbing hold of something and giving it a pull and then finding the power cord is under other things. Anyway, I have found it, and it is okay. Yes. But there's a lot of space inside a pet, and it seems that I have put some things inside of this one. Mostly empty sockets. Heat sink compound. Etc. Oh look. More RAM chips. I don't know if that's... Who knows what I will find in here. Oh dear. I should not move this with chips that are loose. I should not. And what is it I'm trying to move? Well, not surprising. You know, I have some pets around. I do. I'm just trying to get one last look at this. I think actually the screws I found were from various parts of this machine. As you know, I've been working on an old 8K pet. And I have occasionally said it would be nice to have another to tinker on. And that is what I'm trying to get here, without hurting it or anything else. Ooh, or me. Okay, I don't feel anything shaking around. So, here goes the very slow walk. Now, it makes it more complicated here because I can't see exactly where my feet are going. So I just have to feel my way around. And I feel something stuck behind me. Power cable for a lamp and the network cable. Okay. I think I've almost made it. I think maybe, possibly. Oh. Okay. So I know you couldn't see well what that was, but it's another small screen chiclet keyboard pet. Now this one I know has issues, but I guess we'll find out more about the issues. We will. Alright. Thanks for being here. I'm going to reunite this pet with its cousin. Bye for now.